Hello everyone, my name is Jianyu. I come from Wuhan University of Technology. Today, I want to report on a topic of a fiber Bragg Grating Accelerometer based on novel Biaxial arc hinge. As shown in the figure, the sensor structure is composed of optical fiber Bragg grating, mass block, arc hinge, and physics bucket. The structure can realize temperature cells comprehension and transverse anti-interference. At the same time, it has characteristics of high sensitivity and natural frequency. Among them, arc hinge is made by less processing, based on assumption of linear elasticity and small deformation. Using the bending moment equation, we integrate the total strain energy of the hinge. According to the second theorem of Castigliano, the angular deformation around the x-axis is composed of bending moment, flexibility, and shear flexibility. The expression after bending moment comprised integration is shown below. According to the principle of vertical displacement and D'Alembert equation, we assume that the bending moment resists the corner deformation of vertical hinge. The dynamic general equation of FBG accelerator is shown below. Therefore, the first order and second order natural frequency of the sensor can be obtained, which is about 502 Hz. When the mass force is no longer the moment of inertia, but force of inertia, we can get a new dynamics general equation. The theoretical sensitivity value obtained by the solution is about 625.6 pm/G. We use Biaxial software to verify the theoretical calculation results. The metal structure is simulated by C3D8R element. The fiber is simulated by B32 element. Finally, we completed the amplitude frequency curve analysis, sensitivity calculation, and transverse anti-interference tests using experimental devices such as a shaking table. In the amplitude and frequency test, we fill the sensor with 6063 damping oil to protect the sensor. The sensitivity calculation shows that the theory, simulation, and experimental are in good agreement. The sensitivity of the FBG accelerometer is about 595.17 pm/G. At the same time, it has better anti-interference performance. This paper was successfully completed thanks to Hainan Province Science and Technology Special Magic Project. Thank you.